How to repost an Instagram post. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, scroll down to the post that you want to repost and you will see the repost icon there. Make sure that you will need to have an updated version of Instagram in order to utilize all the features of Instagram. So, tap on the repost option you see there, and with this, the post will be reposted. Now, if you want to check your repost, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen, and in the toolbar, you will see the repost icon. Tap on that, and now in this particular interface, you will be able to see all the posts that you have reposted. So, this is how you can repost an Instagram post. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.